Oh, okay. So when Microsoft buy over like things like Activision,
Hmm.
they are still gonna let Activision run their thing, but will be under as a Microsoft.
Mm.
Because I don't think you're gonna, okay, example, you're gonna buy this company. Are you gonna fire everybody and then you run on your own? Likely no, right?
Depends on company, right? But Elon Musk and Twitter.
Okay, I don't want to get cancer or anything, but the people who were doing Twitter initially are really a bunch of baboons. That's all I want to
Yes,
say.
that's true. There's a lot of people who are not needed at Twitter.